Today I got a big parcel from Cricut. These are all Cricut goodies. Look at this big parcel that I got. This is all filled with Cricut goodies. This is filled with Cricut goodies. Hi Craft Penta. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna start. It's gonna be a small unboxing. And if you have any questions about any of these stuff, these are all Cricut goodies that Cricut sent me. Can you guess what's in this? I got 2 parcels. I think maybe they missed out on one. But can you guess what's in this? Ooh. Okay, so this is a holographic vinyl sampler. It has, I think, 3 samplers. Yeah, it has 3 12 by 24 holographic. It's pretty good. Now let's open this big box. Hi guys, so just doing some unboxing that I got from Cricut. I thought, why not I share my excitement with everybody else. So one is this holographic vinyl. Ooh, I got 2 mats. These are those big 12 by 24 mats for Cricut Maker. I got 2 of these. That's really pretty. Then this is craft board. We can make all kind of boxes with this. We can do so these are metallic colors. I think last time what we got was different colors. These are different pretty colors. Oh my god, look at this purple. Wow. We can make crowns with this. We can make all kind of cards, boxes, whatnot. Very excited about these. We can even make bookmarks. I think some bookmarks will look really nice. So this is pretty amazing. Then we got some wood veneers. These you have to cut with a deep point blade. Okay, you can't cut it with fine point blade. And these are natural wood veneers. I've seen people make bookmarks with this. A lot of things, even like some kind of lampshades, all of those things. I got another mat. This is for card. So this is for card making. I have to see how this works. I haven't seen this, but this is again for Cricut Maker. Got this washable fabric pen. Pretty amazing. Then this is adhesive foil. We can use this for resin art. We can use it for all kind of, card making, sentiments, greetings, all kind of things. So this has a metallic shine, and it has an adhesive as well. So you can cut it with your machine and paste it on any kind of cards, or any of your resin projects, keychains, all of those things. Then I got 2 smart vinyl. Is this smart vinyl? Yes. So this is an iron-on. You can use it on any fabric, or any pouches, even bed sheets, designer table. What do you call those? In the middle, the center table. This thing. I'm planning to use this for my flea. I want to make like a centerpiece that goes on the table, so I'll be using both of them. I think this is my second one. This is the shimmery vinyl, and this is permanent, so with just a little bit of heat it stays on permanently. And I got these two. I think I've shown you these. I also got a smart iron-on, which is black. So again, more t-shirts coming up. I got black and white. That's a good mix. Oh, I got the knife blade as well. So I think I should be able to cut. So knife blade cuts those thicker materials, and I think I should be able to cut wood veneers with this, right? Can I cut this? If anybody knows for sure, please let me know in the comment below. Yeah, this is deep point blade, but I think we can cut it. Knife blade, yes, absolutely. So yeah, I think I got a bunch of everything. So I got, again, to go over, I got a knife blade, some wood veneers. We can make some amazing bookmarks and boxes and lampshades with these. I got some smart iron-on. We can put this on fabric. We can do a lot of things with this as well. T-shirts, whatnot. Holographic. I love holographic. So I will be using these holographic to make my own sign, logo sign. And these ones I'm gonna keep for some greeting cards or some accents, or you know how they've done this laptop stand with this. So we can do something like that. T-shirts coming up with these smart iron-ons. You don't need a mat to cut them, okay? And with heat, they stay on permanently on fabric. So these are really good. You can cut them with Explore 3 and Maker 3. Then I have smart permanent vinyl. Again, this one doesn't need heat. You can cut them with Explore 3, Maker 3. It doesn't need heat, but I feel like after some heat, it goes really well. This is some card mat. It has a sticky mat, and I think it can cut 4. So you know, when we're doing some pen work on our cards or something like that, we can put them, and it can do 4 at one time. I've seen videos, but I'm yet to use it myself. Then I got some craft board, cotton craft. Okay, I'm sorry, the camera is moving. This is a good blend of colors. Like, look at this blue, look at this red, some green. I mean, this is perfect for Christmas that's coming up. Diwali, I can see so many Diwali hangings. I can imagine all of that. And then this is that reddish champagne-ish color. I love this. This is really good. I have another one that they sent me previously. That's also really good, different colors. And then I got 2 big mats, 12 by 24. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy these goodies, and I'm gonna save this as a video so you can watch it. But thank you so much, Cricut. I absolutely love this. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm gonna end this live. Bye guys, thank you for joining.